In this lecture, let us understand how to add CSS to HTML document. When a browser reads a style sheet, it will format the HTML document according to the information in the style sheet. That is, if you want to improve the presentation of your web page, then it can be done with the help of CSS. So, CSS has been discussed in the previous lectures. Now, you will see how to add a CSS to the HTML document. There are three different ways for inserting a cascading style sheet into your HTML document. They are inline CSS. So, using inline CSS, you can add some styles to the particular elements present in the HTML document. Here, it is done with the help of style attribute, and style attribute is used inside the HTML elements or tags. The second method is internal CSS. In this, you use the style element or style tag inside the head section to provide internal CSS. Next one is external CSS. To define an external CSS, you can use the link element, and the link element will be also added inside the head section. So, this will be a link to the external CSS file. Let us see all these methods in detail here. First method, inline CSS. An inline CSS is used to apply a unique style to a single HTML element. So, this type of method can be used in order to style a single element present in the HTML document. That can be done with the help of style attribute, and style attribute is present for every HTML tags. The syntax for defining inline CSS is given as HTML tag, then style attribute is used here, and the value part of style attribute is given with property value pairs, where each of the property represents some styling to be added to the element, and value indicates the value of that particular property. And after that, you can close the HTML tag. See an example here. So, here the level 2 heading is being styled here. That is, we are created a heading, that is inline CSS, and this particular text will be styled according to the values given inside the style attribute. That is, style is equal to property name and value. Property value pairs are included here. So, the property here is color, and red will be the value of that particular property. And another property is also included here, text align center. That means here this inline CSS text, this particular text will appear in red color and it will be aligned towards the center part of the document. So, this is how you can add inline CSS into your web document. Now, let us see how this works with the help of a sample code. Here, a simple HTML code is written, and inside the body tag, we have defined h1 tag, and some styling has been provided to this particular tag using inline CSS. So, inline CSS is defined using the style attribute here. So, here we have defined the color of the text as green and the alignment of the text to be centered. So, inline CSS is CSS example is the text that is to be formatted here. So, let us see how this works by opening it in a web browser. Here is the output of this particular program. So, here the text has been displayed in green color and it is aligned towards the center of the web document. So, this has been done with the help of inline CSS. So, in this session, we have seen how inline CSS can be included and how it works. In the coming lectures, we will see the rest of the methods, that is internal CSS and external CSS. Thank you.